Have you ever noticed how most adventure bikes seem designed only with 20-year-olds in mind? Well, not anymore. Today, we're checking out the top 7 comfortable Japanese adventure motorcycles that won't make you feel like you've been carrying a 100-pound backpack all day. These bikes are ranked based on 4 key factors that matter most to riders who prioritize comfort: ergonomics and seat design, suspension quality and adjustability, vibration control and overall handling, and lastly, wind protection along with weather resistance. So, let's get started. Number 7. The Honda CB500. The Honda CB500 proves that you don't need a giant adventure motorcycle to experience real-world comfort and versatility. It's powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine producing 47 horsepower, striking the perfect balance between usability and adaptability. Weighing 434 pounds wet, it feels light and friendly, making it a great choice for riders who value stability without the heft of a big machine. Comfort is where this bike truly excels. With its 830mm seat height, cushioned saddle, and ergonomic handlebar position, the rider naturally settles into an upright, relaxed posture that minimizes pressure on the wrists, shoulders, and lower back. The bars are comfortably closed, the seat wide enough for extended journeys, and the padded grips help reduce handlebar vibration, preventing fatigue over long distances. Even with its moderate engine size, the CB500 cruises smoothly at highway speeds and feels planted in gusty conditions. With Honda's legendary reliability, 65 mpg economy, and 8,000-mile service intervals, it's one of the most appealing value-packed adventure options at just $7,299 brand new. Number 6. The Kawasaki KLR 650. This bike is a true icon in the adventure touring world, not because it's flashy or filled with tech, but because it delivers unbeatable durability and comfort for long-distance explorers. Its 652cc single-cylinder engine produces 40 horsepower, more than enough to handle both open highways and rugged trails. At 456 pounds wet, it's steady without feeling intimidating, and its overall design prioritizes control and practicality over raw performance. The ergonomics are basic but effective. A tall, narrow fuel tank allows riders to grip with their knees for better control, while upright handlebars help reduce back and shoulder strain. The soft suspension absorbs bumps and imperfections with ease, keeping you comfortable on dirt paths or rough tarmac. What really makes the KLR stand out is its simplicity. There are no complicated electronics or excessive rider modes, just a dependable, straightforward bike built for endless miles of comfort. Its air-cooled engine design makes maintenance simple, even if you're on the side of the road. Priced at $6,999 new with 6,000-mile service intervals, the KLR 650 continues to be one of the most trusted and comfortable adventure companions for riders who play the long game. Number 5. The Honda CRF 300L Rally. For those who crave light handling without giving up comfort, the Honda CRF offers an ideal mix. Its 286cc single-cylinder motor produces 27 horsepower and keeps the bike extremely light at just 333 pounds wet. Though it doesn't pack huge power, its controllability makes it perfect for riders who find large adventure bikes too demanding. The Rally version adds even more comfort with a larger, plusher seat and impressive vibration isolation. Weighted handlebar ends and rubber foot peg inserts help absorb engine buzz, saving your wrists, knees, and ankles from strain. Its tall rally-style windshield and handguards offer excellent wind protection, reducing upper body fatigue on long gravel or highway rides. The CRF's featherweight nature makes it simple to maneuver in tight conditions while still including comfort-oriented touches normally reserved for bigger bikes. With around 70 mpg efficiency and 8,000-mile oil change intervals, ownership costs stay very low. At just $6,149, this Honda proves that you don't need a big or pricey machine to enjoy a smooth, comfortable adventure ride. Number 4. Suzuki V-Strom 650XT. The Suzuki V-Strom 650XT has long earned respect in the midsize adventure class for its near-perfect blend of comfort, dependability, and practicality. Its 645cc V-twin engine produces 70 horsepower, providing smooth and predictable power delivery across the entire rev range. At 470 pounds wet, it remains planted and confident at speed yet manageable in everyday riding. The seat is broad and supportive, designed for all-day rides, even after hours on the road. Riders can fine-tune ergonomics, lowering the foot pegs for extra legroom if needed. Its upright position keeps stress off the back and shoulders, while the aerodynamic fairing and windshield provide solid protection from wind and rain. The V-twin layout ensures strong mid-range torque, reducing gear shifts and offering a stress-free experience on highways or twisty mountain roads. Known for its bulletproof build, many owners report well over 80,000 miles with only basic maintenance. With 7,500-mile service intervals, roughly 50 mpg fuel economy, and a price of $9,399, the V-Strom 650 XT remains a comfort-focused, long-lasting adventure bike that's tough to beat. Number 3. The Honda NC750X. This machine elevates practicality and comfort to another level. Its 745cc parallel twin engine puts out 58 horsepower, tuned for torque at low revs, delivering most of its punch at just 4,750 RPM, ideal for everyday commuting and touring alike. A key feature is its forward-tilted engine layout, lowering the bike's center of gravity for improved balance and confidence. The seat is wide and evenly cushioned, spreading body weight comfortably over long periods. Riders will also appreciate the under-seat storage, which enhances practicality while allowing a natural, relaxed riding position. Aerodynamic fairings and side panels effectively divert wind, while Honda's engineering excellence minimizes vibrations that could wear down joints and muscles during long journeys. Its impressive fuel economy, consistently above 70 mpg, adds even more value. Known for unmatched reliability, the NC750X regularly surpasses 100,000 miles without issue. Priced at $8,499 brand new, this Honda combines comfort, economy, and everyday usability in one outstanding adventure-styled motorcycle. Number 2. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus blends sport performance with long-distance luxury. Powered by an 890cc CP3 triple-cylinder engine producing 117 horsepower, it delivers exhilarating acceleration yet remains refined for touring comfort. The sculpted, generously padded seat supports riders effortlessly through 100-mile-plus stretches without fatigue. Its sport touring frame includes electronically adjustable suspension, allowing seamless switching between firm and soft settings depending on the ride. For mature riders, the GT Plus excels with advanced comfort details, heated grips, large fairings, and an adjustable windscreen, all working together to cut down fatigue in cold or windy weather. Ergonomics are tailored for a neutral upright stance, easing strain on wrists and knees. Though priced at $14,999 new, its mix of premium comfort and thrilling performance fully justifies the cost. Oil changes come every 6,000 miles, with valve checks at 24,000, making upkeep simple, and it returns about 47 mpg. The Tracer 9 GT Plus is ideal for riders who crave sport bike energy but don't want to sacrifice all-day comfort. Number 1. The Honda XL750 Transalp. Leading the list is the Honda XL750 Transalp, a masterclass in blending performance, comfort, and utility. Its 755cc parallel twin engine puts out 90 horsepower, delivering lively acceleration without being excessive. Weighing 459 pounds wet, it strikes a perfect balance between agility and stability, whether on highways or dirt trails. Comfort takes center stage, with a wide, flat saddle, upright handlebars, and a moderate 835mm seat height. This ergonomic combination makes switching between seated and standing riding positions effortless, ideal for mixed terrain use. Honda tuned the suspension to handle uneven surfaces gracefully, maintaining rider confidence in every condition. The adjustable windshield and aerodynamic body panels keep wind pressure off the shoulders and neck, reducing fatigue during long hauls. True to Honda's standards, reliability is second to none, with oil changes every 8,000 miles and valve inspections every 16,000. At $11,499 new and offering around 50 mpg, the Transalp stands out as a complete adventure motorcycle that merges comfort, performance, and long-range efficiency beautifully. And with that, we wrap up today's video. If you found it useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.